Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your password on itch.io. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open itch.io right over here and simply go ahead and click on login and make sure that you are logged in into your account. If you don't know your password, then there is other ways to simply get around it. You can simply reset your password by simply going ahead and clicking on forgot password right here, entering your email, and once you've entered your email and click on submit, they're going to send you a link to reset your password. However, if you already know the password, you're already in your account, then what you can do is simply go ahead and click on this right here, click on settings down over here, and once you've done that, click on password right over here and enter your current password, enter your new password, and enter your new password again and click on submit. That is about it. Your account's password will be reset. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.